week 37. Just finished week 37. It's the start of week 38. It's morning right now. It's Monday, and I'm making week 37. I'm reviewing what happened in week 37. So, week 37, good ending, but bad start. So basically, like as you know, that week 36 was a really bad week. Like for the past few weeks, it's been really bad ever since I came to a new environment. And finally, like after like 3, 4 weeks, I'm back in my baseline. So what happened this week was like the guests, they got out of my house, they're not here anymore. So I can finally focus more again. But I'm glad they were here because I could practice my discipline while in chaos. So I'm glad. I'm actually glad. So yeah, it was messy, but it all went. But when the guests left, it was on Tuesday when they left. The numbness left as well. Like I wasn't numb anymore. I had this problem with numbness for a couple of weeks, but it's not here anymore. I feel myself again, and I'm grateful. But that exposed me again. All right, like numbness is gone, lost is back, and yeah, my face is a little bit pale as well because like this week I've been having a lot of sugar as well. Like sugar and loss was the main problem this week. I wasn't like eating a lot of sugar, but it was getting kind of out of control. So yeah, like loss was back after my numbness went, and yeah, mainly at night time, but it was so weak. Like loss was so weak. I just gave in without even fighting it, without even a second thought. I just gave in to loss. It got better, but I just at the beginning when I got that feeling back, my feelings back, like that came back strongly. Not strongly, it wasn't that strong, but I was weak, and then I couldn't control it well. And yeah, that it was just mostly at evening and nighttime, but sometimes in the afternoon or in the morning as well. So yeah, it was very uncontrolled. It was weak. The loss, the signal, it was weak, but it was me, the one who was not ready and who was weak. And what went right is, so ever since Saturday was bad for a loss, but like Sunday, which was yesterday, my baseline it came back. Right, I'm waking up on time, I'm sleeping on time, I'm doing everything on time, I'm following the routine. Uh, like I wake up at 6:45 a.m. I'm doing that. Um, Work time is from 7:40 a.m. I'm doing that. I'm also going back to London, UK. So that is a good news. That is a good news. But yeah, that's it. Like also for the work, I do have a better method for work. I'm getting better at work. Like work and workouts always it's always consistent. Always. It's been consistent for the past 8 months. Ever since I started this journey. Ever since week one. Workouts, work, always consistent. I don't have a problem with missing those. But yeah. And the good thing, another good thing is my feelings came back. I know I'm saying it, but I'm so happy that I can feel it again finally. And yeah, that's it really. Like my baseline is back. But this week 38 is Monday right now. And this week 38, what I want to focus on is keeping my baseline, like keeping this waking up at 6:45 a.m., sleeping on time, controlling this loss. Like I'm controlling it now well, ever since before yesterday, so Saturday. So yeah, I'm controlling it well, and I want to keep this baseline for the rest of the week. For week 38. Week 38 is the focus. Like for this whole week, I just want to keep this baseline. That's it. And yeah, another goal. I don't like talking about work in this channel, but I wanna like, you know what? Let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about the goals for the work. this channel is just about focusing on my life and how I'm gonna progress. So I have some goals for the work too, and yeah, that's it. That's a that's a week. Happy ending. I think my week 36 self would be happy. He wouldn't be happy, but he'd be more aware, like, oh shit, the loss will be back when the numbness goes. But yeah, yeah. But it did expose me for this couple of weeks, like ever since week 33. Week 33, I was still in my other environment. Like week 33, I came to this environment and then everything just, it didn't shatter, but everything was just like shaking, like earthquake, shaking. And yeah, I'm finally back on the baseline. Finally, week 38. How long did that take? Week 34, nearly a month to go back to my baseline. Still, I'm not gonna get too excited because when I do go back to baseline, I just fall back. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep. Anyways, enough yapping. I'll see you at the end of week 38.